Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to talk about this in particular as the market is selling off, but I did want to talk about this in particular as GameStop is starting to go up while the market is starting to go down. And I wanted you guys to keep that in mind because that is something that you could be day trading possibly if the market continues to sell off, as there is not many things to be buying right now. But GameStop definitely is trying to go crazy again, and we're definitely going to have that on watch. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about on this in particular. Now, again, we are going to go into the IW. Well, you can look at this in particular also. Look at this penny stock right here. You can see SINT has been doing well today, right? But you can see the volume hasn't even been as high as it was previously. And there's a lot of charts like this where the volume is pretty flat compared to previously. And it looks like a bunch of pump fakes based on what the charts look like based on the whole market. So I'm going to show you the overall market, the IWM. We do have a huge sell-off. We were worried about that on Tuesday. We did say if it did had a huge gap down that we would be careful. And we did have a rally yesterday on a lot of people having FOMO on a possible rally, and it did get wicked down. And you can see they continue to have wick downs. It created a doji candle and a huge sell signal, and sure enough, did sell off. Now we're going to see if this does continue. It looks like a pretty strong sell-off at this point. It looks like it probably could because the volume is pretty flat, and we are having more sell volume than buy volume recently. So again, we are going to be careful as the IWM is starting to crash. Again, if it does break below the 215 mark, then it looks like it is pretty low and lower than it was before. So definitely keep the IWM in front of you if you guys are watching the overall market. So yeah, you can see on the SINT, there's more sell volume. There's obviously not as much volume on the buy volume as much as you'd like. So there's a lot of stocks where it's like that. So definitely, that's why I'm not posting many videos today, but I did want to talk about this in particular. As you can see, GameStop, GME, you could see that this one has been coming up. Now, you definitely want to be careful as it did come up a lot, and this one could definitely crash really quickly because it came up so much and so quickly yesterday. So definitely be careful, but you could buy this on a buy signal if it does break the 173 mark where it was yesterday. And if it does break that, I could buy this on a nice day trade. So as the market is crashing, it seems like people are just throwing money in the GameStop, and this one is starting to go up. So again, GameStop could be a nice day trade. That's about it for today, to be honest. So I'm not going to post too many videos today because we do have less volume and more sell volume on the market overall. So, but I will mention that we are long on a lot of plays that I did mention yesterday. But however, today I'm going to see if this one does turn around as far as the market, because the market seems to be selling off, and it seems like it wants to sell off more than it did Tuesday. And going into Friday tomorrow, usually people like to sell off on Fridays. It's not exactly the type of confidence you want to have holding over the weekend. So that's something to consider as we're going into Friday. So again, the IWM, definitely watch that, as if it does break below 215, then we are dipping lower than we did Tuesday. So definitely be careful. So again, GameStop on the watch, but the overall market definitely selling off. You want to be careful. And again, much love to everybody that has been in the comment section. If you guys do have a watch list, throw in the comment section. Or if you guys have any questions about the market overall, throw in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. Again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.